In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Acuity scheduling mobile app step by step. If you want to manage appointments, clients, and availability directly from your phone, this guide will help you get started quickly. First, download and install the Acuity scheduling mobile app from your device's app store and log in using your account credentials. Once you're inside the app, you'll land on your main dashboard, where you can see today's appointments and upcoming bookings in a clean calendar view. To view your schedule, tap on the Calendar tab. Here you can scroll through days, weeks, or months to see all your appointments at a glance. If you want to add a new appointment manually, tap the plus or Add Appointment button. Then select the service, date, time, and client details, and confirm the booking. To manage existing appointments, simply tap on any booking. From there, you can reschedule, cancel, or add notes depending on what you need. Next, if you want to adjust your availability, go to the Availability or Settings section in the app. Here, you can update your working hours or block off time when you are not available. You can also manage notifications from the app settings. This allows you to turn on alerts for new bookings, cancellations, and reminders, so you never miss an update. If you accept payments, you can also check booking status and payment confirmations directly from each appointment detail page. For quick access, you can copy your booking link from the app and share it instantly with clients through WhatsApp, email, or social media. Before finishing, explore the Settings section so you can customize the app experience based on how you run your business. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the Acuity scheduling mobile app to manage your appointments on the go. And that's how you use the Acuity scheduling mobile app. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.